and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, it's April 3rd, and yesterday, Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest drew the project number for April, this month, and I'll show you last month's quilt. Last month's quilt was number 3, and it was my Wanda pattern, and I got the top all done. It was kind of a challenge, I have to say. So here it is. And it's pretty big. I will have an upload video coming shortly. I have everything ready to roll. I just need to splice it together and edit it and get it online. So Wanda is done. This is what it looks like. It's from the Stripology Mixology 2 book, and it's this cover one. So really fun. I'm glad I got it done. I was still stitching at 8:20 when I put the last stitch on the border on March 31st. So I made it in the nick of time. So Shelley drew number 12 for April. And I was so excited. I had to get home and look at my list, but I thought it was this one. It is from the Make It Modern with 3 Yard Quilts book from Fabric Cafe. And let me just find it for you. It is this one right here called Curio. And there we go. It's snowball blocks with kind of some rails over it. And this fabric rings my bell. Get it out of my little bag here. And this is going to be the snowball blocks. I celebrate Halloween all the time. I love Halloween fabric and I love Halloween. So it's always kind of a little spooky at my house. So I have this fabric. And I also found this matching piece that I don't know if I'm going to split the blocks up and do some and some. I don't know. But this matching piece, what? I had to buy it. So I've got 2 focus fabrics. If I use one as the snowballs and one as a border, one as a backing, we'll see. But this is my number 2 fabric. So it's going to go where all the white is here. And I hope it looks pretty fun, kind of pumpkin-y, and not there. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. And then this Yummo batik, this really pretty lined turquoise batik that looks just like these pumpkins. Look at that. It looks just like those pumpkins. So that was really cool. So there's my 3. And we're gonna maybe add this bad boy in. And I also have this panel that might go on the back. It might be a separate project. I don't know. So this other matching panel that goes with it that I just love. So there we go. This is the April quilt and or wall hanging. We'll see. We'll see. So this one I'm super excited to work on. I love this fabric and this whole line is really fun. So I am going to start working on that. And Wanda the top is done. It's in the books. I'm going to get that video uploaded hopefully in the next day or so. And we will see you guys soon. Work on your project. Let me know what you're working on. Project number 12 for April. See you soon. Thanks, guys. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay creative. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.